Learning from experience is something humans do naturally, but for AI agents, it's often bolted on as an afterthought. Joining us from MSR Asia in Shanghai, Luna will introduce Agent Lightning, an open source framework that makes learning a first-class capability for agents. With minimal code changes, agents can improve over time using reinforcement learning and related methods. This project has taken off quickly in the community and is a great example of MSR research scaling through open source and shaping how people build agentic systems in practice. Luna, over to you.
Hello from Shanghai. I'm Luna Chiu, Technical Program Manager of Microsoft Research Asia. And today, let me introduce Agent Lightning, one learning system that makes all agents evolve. Our vision is straightforward. We want to build one system for every person and every organization to be able to evolve their own agents using their unique experience data. And for individuals, this means agents that genuinely understand your preferences, your needs through continuous learning. And for enterprises, that means distilling your specific workflows, your customers, your edge cases into an intelligence layer. And that can be a compounding mode that competitors cannot replicate. Agents exist on a wide spectrum. They vary in domains, implementation approaches, complexity, and more. While they all generate experience data, turning that data into improvement can be extremely difficult. That's why at Microsoft Research, we open source Agent Lightning to solve this. It connects any agent with any optimization method, making learning from experience practical with almost no code change. We achieve this compatibility by going back to first principles, specifically Reinforcement Learning 101. Every RL setup can be formulated as a partially observable Markov decision process, or you can call it a POMDP. In a POMDP, the RL agent takes actions, receives states and rewards from the RL environment without knowing all the details about how the RL environment works. And that is exactly how Agent Lightning goes. It abstracts such a POMDP from all AI executions. It treats only the part that needs to learn as an RL agent. Everything else becomes the RL environment. This design hides all the differences between AI agents inside the RL environment. So it is possible to optimize any agent using any learning method. And there are three key benefits. One, a unified data pipeline that captures all agent activities using observability tools. It is non-intrusive to the original agent code. Two, algorithm flexibility that allows teams to plug in different methods without rebuilding everything. They can choose from classical RL algorithms to novel methods that are tailored for agents. This is important because the field is changing very fast, and best approaches varies by use case. Three, and finally, infrastructure disaggregation that separates agents and optimizes cleanly, providing modular components and a clear interface, allowing independent scaling of each part as you need. Here are some use cases from us and from the community showing how diverse the applications are. Let's start with the classic, a multi-agent customer service setting. So for this task, we use Agent Lightning to train a very small model. In just 8 epochs, the agent with a 1.5B model achieves comparable performance to an agent using GPT-4 series. And we also enable a new algorithm called EMPO squared. It is the first RL algorithm that can train agents with memory. That significantly improves exploration with new out-of-distribution environments. And optimization is not limited to model parameters. One team at Microsoft is building a specialized coding agent for writing formal verification in Rust. And with Agent Lightning's prompt tuning at less than $6 per task, they improved the average success rate by over 10 points. And multimodal robotic agents also use Agent Lightning to automatically tune their prompts. This improves the reasoning-action coordination, doubling task success rate, and significantly reduce completion time. The community response has been extraordinary. Since open sourcing 6 months ago, Agent Lightning has earned more than 14,000 GitHub stars, ranking among Microsoft's top 50 most starred projects. It was featured as the #1 funding project on GitHub and the trending research paper on Hugging Face. This work reflects what we aspire to do at Microsoft Research. We tackle hard fundamental problems, build open tools that serve the community, and push the frontier of what's possible. Our goal remains simple: build one learning system that makes all agents evolve, empowering every person and every organization to build intelligence that are truly their own. Agent Lightning is fully open source, so we welcome you to try it, contribute, and help shape what comes next. That's all I'm going to talk today. Thank you.